Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. This video we back on 2016 Toyota Camry, and we're doing the rear brake pads and rotors. We already did the front, but brake level is still low, so we on the rear, and plus they are scrubbing. Went ahead and pushed that piston back. And these two bolts holding the caliper, 14 mil. We get it off. It's pretty low. And then we got our two bolts back here. Gonna be 17 mil. Pull that rotor off. Spray all that down. Now this side is the troublesome side. See how those pads done with. Scrubbing that right there. That little piece right there, you want to take that out, put it in a new one. Don't forget to install your squeal indicators. Let you know when your pads are getting low. Alright, next you want to get the old hardware off. Check out these guide pins. Lubricate them. And it's got a little black piece on the tip of this one. Try to avoid the lube getting on the tip of that, because it kind of like gets in the way when you push it in, and it might not push all the way in. I've had that happen a couple times. That's gonna be it.